guys, welcome back to our channel, Learn to Teach Hairstyles. For those who don't know us, my name is Carrie and this is my daughter Gracie.
Hi everyone!
This channel is all about learning new and different hairstyles. So if this is your first time here, we would love for you to subscribe. And if you're already a subscriber, we thank you and we love you guys so much for your support.
Today we're going to be showing you guys how to do chain links using micro braids. So let's get started.
Anything I use in this tutorial, I'll leave a link in the description box below. The first thing you want to do is to split a section from here up on top of her head. So I'm just going to go ahead and put this up here for now, just to get out of my way. And we're going to work right here. We're going to make two micro braids. So we're going to take a small section right here. I'm going to split this in half and create two micro braids. Okay, so now we have two micro braids and you want to go all the way down to the end, the very end. We're going to put this aside for now. We're going to work on this micro braid. We're going to take this down. I'm going to wet it down just a little bit. We're going to take a small section right on this side here. About this much. I'm going to put it to the side for now. And then we're going to take a small section right over here. And we're going to work on these two first. So we're going to put this to the side. Okay, so now you have three strands. You're going to take the left over the middle micro braid. Then you're going to take the right underneath this strand here. And back over this. So it's going to look like this. Okay? Show you one more time. So the left goes over, the right goes under this, and then over this micro braid. And then what you're going to do is go and take this micro braid and go over these two, like that. Go ahead and tighten it. Okay, so now you're going to end up like this with the micro braid over here on the right. Again, you're going to go to the left strand, go under the middle. The micro braid is going to go under this and then back over through here. Go ahead and tighten that up. You'll see it's forming a chain right here. So the micro braid is now on the left. So you're going to work on the right side. This strand, the right strand is going to go under the middle. The micro braid is going to go under this strand here and then back over into the middle of here. This micro braid is going to go right through this loop here. Now the micro braid is on the right. So you're going to do the left, which is under the middle. Micro braid is going to go under this strand and then right through these two right here. Gonna pull this down a little, the right strand, gonna pull it down. Then the micro braid right here, you're just gonna shimmy it until you form that chain. The micro braid is now on the left side. You're going to work on this strand, the right strand. So it's basically going to go under, and then go right through the middle. So the right strand under the middle strand. And if you want to put your two fingers right here, it'll be a lot easier. Then the micro braid will go under this strand here and take your two fingers and bring that micro braid through. And that's it. Okay, you can go ahead and pancake this out a little bit to make it a little bit bigger. These links here before you go ahead any further. Again, now the micro braid is now on the right. Your 2 fingers like this. Okay, so the left strand is going to go under the middle like this. This micro braid will go under this strand, and then take your 2 fingers and pull that micro braid right through. Okay, grab the right strand and shimmy it a little bit, and the micro braid. Whatever side that the micro braid is on, you're going to work on the opposite side. So being that the micro braid is now on the left side, you're going to work on the right. So the right strand goes under like this. Make sure you put your 2 fingers between those strands. Micro braid will go underneath the strand, and take your 2 fingers and pull that micro braid right through. Just like that. Go ahead and to make that chain link effect. And you're just going to go ahead and continue. It is on the right side. So the left goes under, micro braid goes under, and take your 2 fingers and bring that micro braid through. And then just go ahead and form your links the way you like it, and continue. Okay, I'm going to go a little faster for time purposes only. Okay, so I'm going to secure this off with an elastic band. Go back up here and form your chains to the way you like it. And there you have your chain link right here. And this is what the back looks like. Now I'm going to work on this side here. And you're going to just do the same thing. Okay, so I'm going to take a little bit here, and I'm going to drop this down, and I'm going to pick up a small section right here, around about the same amount. So take a small section right here, and try to work with the same amount as I am with the last strand. Okay, and I'm going to leave this down, just so that it gives the overlapping effect right here. You're going to take the left over the micro braid, take these 2 fingers like this and go underneath this strand here. Make sure that the 2 fingers are in between these 2. Take the micro braid underneath this strand and pull the micro braid with your 2 fingers right through. Slide it up a little bit. And now the micro braid is now on the right. So now you got the left goes under the middle. Put your 2 fingers right here. The micro braid goes under this strand here. Grab that micro braid and pull it right through. And you'll have that chain link look. The micro braid is now on the left, so you work on the right. Take the strand under the middle. Make sure your 2 fingers are in between that. Then you take the micro braid underneath this strand and grab that micro braid with the 2 fingers right here. Pull it right through. And there you go. Okay, I'm going to go a little faster for time purposes only. Okay, all done. Just gonna go back over here and tweak the links out to the way I like it. See that one strand right here that I brought down? It makes it so that it's all uniformed and it's all without having to see any kind of split. Put a little hairspray. And there you have it. Let's do a final spin. Thank you guys so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial and find value in it. Now if there's a style that you would like us to recreate, please let us know in the comments below.
We love feedback, so let us know about your success and find our videos or parts we might be able to improve on. Also click on the notification bar right next to the subscribe button.
Help support our channel by clicking the links in the descriptions. Now this helps us to create more videos for you.
Don't forget to give us a thumbs up
And click our logo below so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials.
to watch more of us. Click on over it there. We love you guys. Till next time,
Learn it, do it, and teach it to others. Bye guys, God bless and have a great week.